AWS OpsWorks, by definition, is a configuration management service that helps you automate operational tasks like software configuration, package installations, database setups, server scaling, and code deployment using Chef. And the keyword to remember here is Chef, right? Using Chef. So this entire platform is based on Chef. Now, I said configuration management, and a lot of you are probably thinking, well, is this kind of similar to Microsoft System Center configuration management? To a large extent, that's also a configuration manager. That's for on-premises. This is entirely for AWS and entirely in the cloud. Now, what is Chef? For those of you that don't know, Chef is an automation platform that transforms infrastructure into code. It allows you to deploy an entire infrastructure using code. It automates how applications are configured, deployed, and managed across your network. Chef Server stores your recipes and configuration data. Now here there's a play on words, right? The platform's called Chef, so there's obviously recipes for this chef to implement, right? And recipes, as you may have guessed, you can think of them as templates. So they're the blueprints, the architectural diagrams of what you're trying to implement, what you're trying to deploy, what you're trying to do, right? Those are all called recipes. Now, the Chef client, otherwise known as the node, is installed on each server. Now, OpsWorks components. Now, for starters, you use the management console in order to get access to OpsWorks and configure it. It consists of two elements, stacks and layers. Stacks are containers of resources like EC2, RDS, ELB that you want to manage collectively. Those are called a stack. You're deploying them as a stack, and as a result, you're managing them collectively. Every stack contains one or more layers. So you can have, for example, a layer for your web applications. You can have a layer for your databases and so on and so forth. Layers automate the deployment of packages for you. So you've got your stack, that's the whole entire stack, that's the container that contains all of these layers, but the layers are what actually is deployed. That's the automation of your recipes, the deployment of your recipes in essence.